back here at Tom's, working on the Javelin. It's funny, Instrument Services here, who restored his gauges, decided, yeah, we're going to add the upgraded regulator, which is fine. You know, that's good. But let's leave this haggard-ass, beat-up, old board on the back. So, don't worry. Let Tom get us a new one that's a little nicer so we can actually put it together right and be nice again. Oh my God, Scotty. Okay, so I got the back board off, the old one. I'm gonna put the new one on. Easy peasy, just a couple screws, a couple nuts, and away we go.
What do we do with the old one so they can see why we're doing what we're doing?
It's over. I just had it. Oh, it's right here. I already shot on it. I already shot it before I took it apart. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
So much nicer.
And you know what's funny is I mentioned this in the previous clip, but the company that rebuilt the instruments, why didn't they spend 5 more minutes and bill Tom?
Yeah, it doesn't.
$200 and
It
be done
doesn't.
with it?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
I don't get it.
Well, granted, quality of work doesn't always mean common sense.
Yes, we've seen this.
Look, see what common sense.
Whoa,
Oh no!
whoa. Dude, you already know my stomach's been jacked today. Don't give me motion sickness too.
I know. I need to give you your space. I got you. You just don't love me anymore. I see how it is. You don't want me no more.
I'm gonna drink my water and mind my own damn business.
That's gonna look so much nicer. Everything's gonna light up nice and bright. Light bright. God, I haven't seen one of them since I was a little kid.
You know who's got one?
Who?
Chuck.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Next time we go in there, I'll be like, find the light bright. He's got one. It's cool as shit. Yeah, he's got a light
Well,
bright.
I'm gonna let you go back to. Oh, do we want to update them as to what we're doing with the car?
Oh yeah,
As to
go
where
do
we're
your
at?
thing. Let's do your thing, and then I'm going to finish putting this together, and then while you're putting that in, I'm gonna go take a massive dump.
Wow. Hey, thanks for sharing.
Well,
now that we found
facts, baby.
the issue, we're gonna run a key on positive so that when the car is on, we light up the dashboard.
Yeah,
But
and
I
all the
still
gauges.
have to fix this one wire that I never fixed yet.
The unwire.
The one wire. So I'm kind
then-
of putting everything back into place now that we've narrowed down what we are going to do for the moment so that he can drive his car and get some enjoyment out of it before the show. And we can fine tune whatever, make any creaks, whatever, taking care of them.
Yeah, I definitely want to revisit our brakes,
But we are definitely going to leave the
why is this video quality so fucking bad? It's not that you're. Oh, there it is.
courtesy and dome lights
You definitely
alone.
look better in focus, by the way. Usually people blur pictures to make themselves look better. You obviously have exfoliated. You got a facial. Ah! Anyway.
We're going to leave the dome light or the after sex light off. And just temporarily put
You
these
can
aside.
find it when you're...
Well, that's like how does a girl from Alabama turn on the lights after sex? Opens the car door.
Opens her brother's car door.
Well, this is true. No. What does a girl from Alabama say after sex? Daddy, get off me. You're crushing my Marlboros.
Uncle Daddy, we's gonna have enough, son.
That's so bad. How do you know if the person you're dating is too young for you?
I don't know.
When you have to make the airplane noise to put your cock in their mouth.
Oh! Okay, that one's too far. Too far.
But really, is it?
Too far. That's like the
Well, that's like the new
sequel to the
that's like
Yeah,
the new Exorcist movie.
Yeah.
Have you heard of it? That's coming. It's supposed to be out in like a month.
Yeah, what's going on in that one?
The devil's going to come to take the priest out of the child.
We're getting flagged on YouTube for this one.
What's the difference between love or lust?
I don't know.
Spit or swallow?
And this has been a video about Tom's Javelin that went down the rabbit hole. Dude, I've talked about pooping. Then we went to 32. We are a mess today. Anyway.
So we're going to take her with a couple wires, get the dash back together, and do the speedometer cable, which is absolutely gorgeous. We'll get that taken care of and get it in.
Didn't we need to discuss the speedometer cable? I think you and I talked about. We need to verify its correctness because this one's not.
This is a screw in and
that goes on
push in.
That goes on the bottom.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see the label. Let me see a label. Made in Taiwan. That's not good. PD risk. Okay, that doesn't give me any information. So I need to double check that, look that up, because that doesn't seem right. Because that one's a clip, like a push on.
Yeah.
Fuck. Our damn horn shit hasn't showed up yet. Ooh. My hand hurts, sorry, because it's all cut up.
Okay,
anyway.
well, looks like we're going to be doing another video again soon.
Well, we can do the speedo cable with the cluster in. You just got to play contortionist, which is fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's what it is. It's fine. It's fine.
You've been contortionist all morning.
Yeah, tell me about it. But we'll get it done and we'll get everything taken care of.
All right.
But on that note, we'll see you on the Javelin.
Does that have to do with the...
Well, I mean, we're working on a Javelin.
I know, but it's just...
I don't know. I could have said see you on the flip side.
The dirty jokes.
Catch you on the backside.
Javelin. What are you doing in the back door?
Hey, if they want it, I'll put it there. I mean, I don't know. It's all pink in the middle.
All right. All ready. Ready? Ready. All the bulbs are in with the right holders. Everything's nice and solid, mounted where it's supposed to be. $1 million. All right, Mr. Scotty, that's ready to go inside.
Woohoo! Let's get her done.
Get her in there. Yay!